And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Friday Night Hockey here at Bonaventure Arena. This is our season finale. Once again, brought to you by Frank Gagne, doing play-by-play. Play-by-play, that sounds better than flay-by-flay. So, let's try to get into the rhythm of things. So, it looks like we got ourselves an offside that's coming out of the zone. Much to the confusion of everybody else. Face-off won by the white team, picked up by Duguay. Duguay tries to chip to the boards, but it's intercepted by Dalbec. Curry picks up the puck. Dangles through a couple of players. Skates back into his own zone. Backhands it to Duguay, a little far for him. Back to Smokeout. Smokeout sends it off to Dalbec. Dalbec into the zone. He's got Gervais going with him. Dalbec with the shot. Terrien with the save. Orlov tries to send it, but the pass gets intercepted. Kadri tries to center the puck. Oh, another. All right, let's. Gervais picks up the puck, sends it back to Smokeout. Smokeout sends it back, but no one's ready for the pass. Picked up by Tourk. Tourk skates into the zone. Loses control of the puck, back to Smokeout. Smokeout sends it up to Duguay, who loses the handle on the puck. Blouin sends it back to Smokeout, who sends it up to Gallardo. Gallardo skates into the zone, off the side. Circles the net. Falls. Loses the puck. Ferrara picks up the puck, skates past the red lines, skates into the offensive zone, but quickly stopped by Hughes. Ferrara trips, but there doesn't appear to be a penalty, and this looks like it's going to be an icing call against the blue team. Face off to the right of Jackson. Won by the white team. Back to Judge, who saves it from going outside. Oh! Deflected off of Ferrara, but it looks like it was a bit of a high shot. So they'll do it again. One gets ready. Face off won by the blue team. Back to Minolakis. To Blouin, intercepted. Shot on goal, and a nice save by Jackson, who flashes the leather. This time face-off comes to the left of Jackson. Gallardo steps in. Face-off won by the blue team. Oh, nice shot by Heller, but a little bit wide. Blouin tries to clear the puck. Off to Duguay. Duguay skates in, gives it off to Gallardo. Gallardo tries to skate around, but doesn't quite get through. Milnakis dumps the puck in to Duguay, a little too hot to handle. Stein sends the puck out to Judge. Oh, Judge gets around Milnakis, who goes in. Judge with the shot. The save by Jackson. Humes picks up the puck. Skates around a few defenders, off to Gallardo, but the pass is too hard. Humes is back there, intercepts the puck. Skates into the offensive zone. Dekes around, takes a shot, and it looks like it was a nice, good save. Puck is picked up by Tourk, but he's all alone. There's no one supporting him. Trying to go around everybody, but that doesn't bring us to, not too much though. You gotta wait for your players, and this looks like, no, the icing is waved off. Dubek was first, but Carrier was right there to pick up the puck. Duga, no! That is offside. Faceoff comes out of the offensive zone. Picked up by the blue team. Sadri chips it, but Duguay is there to pick up the puck. Circles back. Dumps it behind the boards to Tool. Tool tries to chip it around the board, but it's intercepted. Oh, we got a mid-ice collision. No worse for wear. Keilnanis picks up the puck. Skates, tries to chip it in, but it deflects off a player. Picked up by Tool. Tool's on the sideboards. Intercepted by Humes. He sends it off to Gervais. Gervais picks it up on his backhand, but loses the puck to Carrier. Carrier takes his time, goes behind the net. Sends it cross ice to Tool. Tool chips it out to Duguay, who chips it back to Carrier. Carrier's in the, tries to center it. Takes a shot! Oh, I don't think the shot got off though. Oh. Tool almost mishandles the puck, but gets back control. Sends it off to Keilnanis, who's skating in with Orlov. Tries to center it to Orlov, but it's behind, the pass is behind him. Orlov still on the puck. Collision, sends it off to Gervais. Gervais all alone, skating on the sideboards. Got his back. Not sure he has a lot of support right now, but loses the puck to Duguay. Shot on goal is wide. Heller takes his time, sends it up to Carrier. He's got Smokot and Lassard with him, tries to get through, but no, doesn't get through on that one. Sadri chips it out of the zone to Gallardo, but oh, it's out of his reach. And that's a delayed icing, offside. No, looks like we have a delayed offside, but they didn't tag up, so they got to do this over there. Well, that could have been an icing call. Face off to the left of Terrien. Face off won by the blue team. Bluing skates with the puck, tries to get it through, but stands there to intercept. Judge tries to take the puck out, successfully he does. Oh, deflects off of Brian. Back to Judge. Oh, once again the puck deflects off a player, but Heller picks up the puck. Oh, but loses the puck right away to Milonakis. Milonakis skates in. One-on-one with Judge, but he chips it from behind the net. Dwayne picks up the puck. Heller intercepts, tries to send it out, but the blue team to get it back. Once again intercepted by Judge. Judge sends it out to the zone, and that's going to be, nope. Icing is refused because it was played by the goaltender. Ferrara is, some heavy forechecking by Ferrara. Blue Wayne skates around the net with the puck, sends it out to Milonakis. Milonakis assesses, chips it off the boards, intercepted by Judge. Judge sends it off to Brian, and back in his zone. Trying to send it out, but oh, that is the one tags up. Sends it to Brian. Brian goes cross ice to Heller. A little too strong for Heller though. Milonakis intercepts the puck, sends it up to Blue Wayne. It's Blue Wayne Gallardo. Blue Wayne with the shot, but the shot is wide. Stern picks up the puck, passes it off to Ferrara, but the pass was behind him. Gallardo skates in. He's got Blue Wayne in front of him. Gallardo with the chip in. Stern picks up the puck. Sends it to Judge. Judge tries to get through David, but nope, doesn't get through. Oh, got a race, but looks like Judge is going to pick up that pick it up. Sends it back to Lassard. Lassard tries to get the pass through, but it deflects off of the white player. Fresh legs come on the ice. Tool skates around one forward. Skates past the red. Skates into the blue. Sends it across the boards. Smolcott's there to intercept the puck. Back to Carrier. Carrier goes for the backhand. Goes for the centering of the puck, but a little too hard. Not a lot of precision on there. Oh! Almost got through, but Duguay's there. Oh, Duguay forgot the puck. Tries to skate around. Oh, a little bit of a dangle there. Back to Cale Nannes, takes the shot, and the save by Jackson. Pretty good pace so far. 9:53 left in the first period. Still goose eggs on both sides. Face off won by the blue team. Oh, no, it's out. And we got Gervais. He is all alone. But there's a lot of pressure coming to it. Takes the shot. The shot is wide. Good scrum in the back of the net. Tries to center the puck. Deflects off the skate. Back to Smolcott. Smolcott sends the puck up. Not very precise. Picked up by Duguay. Duguay sends it up to Cale Nannes. Cale Nannes has got Orlov with him. Cale Nannes passes it off to Orlov. Passes it back to Carrier. Carrier picks it up. Circles. Dumps it back down to Orlov. Orlov tries the shot, but it deflects off a player. Intercepted by Took. Took with the shot. Save. Oh! Action Jackson is on his game, folks. Quite the save. Carrier picks up the puck, sends it back to Duguay, back into their zone. Passes it off to Cale Nannes, intercepted by Smolcott. Back to Duguay. Chips it to Orlov. Skates in with Cale Nannes, sends it to Carrier. Carrier skates around. Cale Nannes with the shot. Oh, nice save by Jackson with the pad. Another save. Carrier skates back in his zone. He's got Doug back on him. Garbeck's following him. Backhands it to Brian. Brian to Heller. Heller to Carrier. Carrier skates in. Oh, he's all alone. Takes a shot. Scores! First goal of the game goes to number 19, Martin Carrier, at 7:40 of the first period. Face-off won by the blue team. Back to Humes. Humes backhands it to Milnakis. Milnakis skates up and gets a weak shot off on the goalie. Making sure he's awake. Stern picks up the puck off the boards. Tries to get the pass off Fens on his first attempt, but it's intercepted by Humes. Humes sends it back to Blouin, but it's a little too hard. It goes to Brian. Brian chips it to himself. Back to Stern. Picked up by Ferrara. Intercepted by Milnakis. Skates around the net. Chips it out of the zone. Back to Judge. Judge skates past the red line. Skates into the offensive zone. And Jackson's going to slow down the play. Face-off won by the white team. Ferrara tries to get the puck to the net, but doesn't quite get through. Picked up by Gallardo. Oh, loses the puck. Back to Stern. Stern tries to backhand it. Doesn't quite get through. Brian with the shot. but that's why possibly more of a pass. Judge sends it back to Brian. Brian goes cross ice to Judge. Judge tries to send it up to Stern. Stern chips it into the zone. Heller skating hard into the boards. He's first on the puck, but he loses it. Duda sends it up to Blouin. Judge is on his horse, going for the intercept. Blouin tries to center it, but there was no one for the pass. Heller picks up the puck, sends it to Stern. Oh, Stern can't quite handle it. Goes back into their zone. Brian chips it to the boards to Heller. Picked up by Ferrara. Ferrara skates into the offensive zone. He's on his backhand, skates around the net. Bit of a collision. No worse for wear. Nope, that's out. Told skates around, waits for everyone to get back on side. Told skates around the net. Heller tries to get it. It's a little out of his reach. Picked up by Dudbeck. Dudbeck skating with Blouin. Still has the puck. Skates in. Dumps it in. Oh, puck's out of play. 4:18 remaining in the first period. The white team has taken the 1-0 lead off of a goal by Martin Carrier. Face-off will be to the left of Terrien.